guys, this is James, Head of Developer Relations here at DIMO. Today I'm going to show you guys how to use our newest DIMO Developer Kit. Simply head on over to Replit. You'll find our DIMO Developer account here, and we have our DIMO Developer Kit. To get started, the quickest way for you to do this is to click on Remix this app. Simply type in the name. The app will not load in the first time. It's because you don't have your secrets loaded. Simply stop your app, go to All Tools on the left-hand side, scroll all the way down, find Secrets. Now that's putting our secrets. You'll need your DIMO Developer License Client ID, API keys, and redirect URIs. Once you have your secrets in, click on Run. You'll see your first DIMO app here in the previews. You can always deploy your app as needed. Make sure to start us on GitHub. Have a great time building.